and here we are with the female reproductive system plaque. Okay. Ovary, fallopian tube, infundibulum with fimbriae. Go over here, we have the parametrium, the endometrium, the cervix, the myometrium, the uterus, the vagina, the vaginal orifice, labium minus, labium majus, clitoris, posterior fornix of the vagina, rectum fossa or pouch. No, wait. Recto-uterine fossa or pouch. Recto-uterine fossa or pouch. And that was after the posterior fornix. Then we go up here. We have an ovum, nucleus, ooplasm, zona pellucida, and the corona radiata, marked as 20. Marked up there as 20. Okay, let me go back over here. We have the urinary bladder, the urethra, the external urethral orifice, the sigmoid colon, the rectum, the anus, the ureter here, the round ligament, the ovarian ligament, symphysis pubis or pubic symphysis, the median umbilical ligament here. Here we have the sacrum, and the coccyx, and the cauda equina. And then for some reason the symphysis pubis or pubic symphysis is listed again at the end.